Deep within the heart of our planet, a secret world breathes.
A place where water is the blood of the earth.
The Amazon, the largest rainforest on Earth.
Here, life thrives in every shadow.
And freedom paints the sky.
Meet the guardians of the Canopy.
A kingdom ruled by nature's laws. Ancient giants that have stood watch for centuries.
But on the ground, silence is a weapon.
The undisputed king of the jungle awakens. He moves with a purpose, a ghost in the green.
Others wait patiently in the heat.
Watching, waiting for the perfect moment.
The jungle knows when the king is on the hunt.
Even kings must bow to the river.
He vanishes as quickly as he appeared.
The river is a highway for all living things.
A submerged forest, hiding secrets beneath the surface.
Giant otters, the wolves of the river, play in these waters.
While the capybara finds peace on the banks.
But danger lurks in the shallows.
Beauty and danger coexist in perfect balance.
Survival is the only game played here.
This water feeds the entire continent.
Magic is real in the Amazon.
High above, the energy changes.
Some prefer life in the slow lane.
Colors here are vibrant and loud. Our red guide returns to its family.
Curiosity is key to survival.
These trees are like vertical cities.
Ruled by the most powerful raptors on Earth.
Their voices echo for miles.
But the weather can change in a heartbeat.
The smallest workers build the biggest empires.
Small, beautiful, but deadly.
Architects of the undergrowth. Fragility floating on the breeze.
From decay comes new life.
Invisibility is a superpower here.
Jewels of the jungle floor.
And then, the rain returns. The life-giving force of the rainforest.
Humans have called this place home for millennia, living in rhythm with the river.
Finding joy in nature's playground. The river provides everything they need.
A world that changes with the seasons. The jungle eventually reclaims everything.
A connection we must not forget.
A fragile paradise.
As the sun begins to set,
The day shift retires.
The king watches his kingdom turn to gold.
And a new world awakens.
The night watchers take their post.
Under the gaze of the moon.
The symphony of the Amazon never ends.
This is the Amazon, the heartbeat of the world. Let us keep it beating forever.